good morning, Mom. My name is Arabella Abi. So today I'm going to explain what is Bacillariophyta and Dinoflagellata. So here I'm going to give po some example or picture here in the video. So after that, I'm going to topic the taxonomic heresy. First, in the Bacillariophyta, so we have the domain. So in the domain is eukaryote, and the kingdom is Chromista. Then the phylum is the Grita. Then the class is Bacillariophyta. Then the order is Spinalis and Centralis. Then the family is Naviculodia E. Then the genus is Navicola. Then the species is Platonic. So in the Dinoflagellata, the domain is eukaryote, the kingdom is Protista, the phylum is Dinocoa, then the class is Dinoflagellata, then the order is Dinoflagellata, then the family is Gymnonemicea, and the genus is Gymnodinium. Then the species is Platonic. So after that, I'm going to topic or explain the information of life cycle or the reproductive strategy of Bacillariophyta and Dinoflagellata. So in the Bacillariophyta, also known as diatoms, when they are already reached in the critical size where there cannot be reduced, their sexual reproduction and exophores formation take part. The exophores form if they are in the new full size algae. They will start again to reproduce or produce. They also have different reproduction state, the asexual and sexual. In the Dinoflagellata, they are most common asexual by mitosis or fusion. During the period, they become much thicker and considerably target than other. The protoplasm become granule and reddish body are visible within. They actively level decrease, and after as many 15 days, the flagella will be lost. So in the sexual reproduction is known also occur in the summer and autumn, and in the last stage of bloom. So after that, we're going to explain the general similarity and difference between the Bacillariophyta and Dinoflagellata. So the Dinoflagellata use white light tail or flagella to move through the water, and their bodies are covered with a complex shell. The Bacillariophyta or diatoms have a lath shell, but they are made of different substance, and the structure is rigid and made of interlocking paths. So in the lifestyle of the Bacillariophyta, so we can see in this picture, first in the egg and the sperm. Then they're going to sexual reproduct, then they're going to fertilize and go to the exophores formation. Then after that, they're going to do the sexual reproduction. Then they're going to divide themselves. Ma-divide na sila into 2, 4, or 8. After that, we're going to they become the smaller frostel. Then after that po, mobalik na sad sila to the egg and sperm and do the cycle or the life cycle again. So in the Dinoflagellata, first it's called Alexandrium. So the seeds by the germin po in the ground. So they're going to have getting some oxygen po. Then after that, the seeds will going up po from the ground. Then diyan na po sila mag-reproduct or mutate, and they're going to get some light from the ocean. Then after that, they're going to continue the reproduction po, or mag-divide na po sila in the third stage po. So they were going to divide into 2 or 3, 2, 4, or 8. Then after that po, they become a vegetative cell po. Then mag-divide na po sila within the 4 and 5. If naana sila diyan, that is the end stage of the reproduction po. So diyan na sila mag-mutate or managhan. Then if na mas nidako na sila, so they were going back to the ground na sad po, and do the life cycle again and again. After that, I'm going to explain the usual habitat of both algae. So in the Bacillariophyta, they can be found in the freshwater ecosystem and also in the damp terrestrial habitat. So makita na to sa mga picture here. That is the some usual habitat sa mga Bacillariophyta. And the next is the Dinoflagellata. They also found in the marine, through some live in the freshwater habitat. They also found in the cold water or cold sea or ice area. So this is the example of the Dinoflagellata habitat po. To explain the special metabolic and psychological function of both algae. So the Bacillariophyta is a feature of diatoms to present a sillified cell wall that made of 2 identical species. They from extremely diverse and evolutionary successful groups. Then after that, the Dinoflagellata, they can play dual role in carbon transformation. Through the both photosynthetic friction in the apotic zone and demineralization in the mesopelagic zone. The disease manifestation, so in the Bacillariophyta, the disease caused by datum can be neuronal, so development like epilepsy, paralysis, limbic system damage, or death. In the Dinoflagellata naman is the toxic symptoms of disease can be fever, ataxia, drowsiness, and weakness of limbs, or death of the person. So the interesting fact about the both algae, so in the Bacillariophyta, the datums live in the glass are. So their cell wall are made of silica, the same material that in your glass. They have a golden appearance that produce oil. They can also convert dissolved carbon dioxide in the water into oxygen. Then the Dinoflagellata. So Dinoflagellata are monophyletic group of primary unicellular organism united by a suite of unique characteristics, including the flagellar insertion, pigmentation, or the organelles, and of nucleus, and distinguish them from the group. So they can glow, causing the ocean to the light up. Not all Dinoflagella are harmless. Many of them are harmful also. Algae bloom with cause of red tide. So like ganina na ay blue ang because of the light of the ocean. And that is one of harmless shad. This is a red tide. This is some example of harmful Dinoflagellata. And that's all. Thank you for listening my report about the Bacillariophyta and Dinoflagellata. Thank you.